Yo, what it do, what it do? So, we're gonna continue with some horror shiz. Siler, yo, what's up, Siler? I see you got your little, volume thing changed. Josh Works, what's up, Josh Works? What you got going on, mate? Oh, Laura Kinney, yo, what is up? We just chilling, man. We about to work on some horror shiz. Tyler, I'm just here registering another free JetBrains license key to Sea Lion. Hee. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. I really enjoy JetBrains stuff, but price? Yeah, dude. Everything's freaking expensive. Told my mate I wanted to use Sea Lion, and he got me a key. Oh, hell yeah. Hella hookup. Yo, what it up? Yeah, who knows what is happening? Yeah, so I got my game package yesterday, Siler. We did end up getting it working. So yeah, I appreciate the help. I'm here working on my menu stuff still, loading a list of the characters we have created, so we can select one to go into the game with. Oh, nice! Hell yeah! Yeah, I'm in the middle of doing some what you call it, world object data saving. So like, trying to save and load like the state of an object, like the state of how an object was when you saved, when you load back in, for it to be the same way. Yay, nicely done. Anytime. Demo win. Oh, we got a while till a demo. We got a while still. Can't afford a demo, man. Yeah, man. Oh yeah, makes sense. Yeah, so I've got the part working where like, so like say you pick up an item and it's like gone from the world. I got that part working. When you load in, any of the items that you have already picked up will not be in the world anymore. But what I'm trying to do now is save and load, like say if you opened a door and you left it open, I'm trying to save the state in which when you load back in, the door is still open. I'll get my mate to buy the demo for me. Problem solved. Oh yeah. You got your buddy that'll hook you up with shit. Yeah, we got a while till a demo. We got I don't know how long I'll make the demo. I probably will make a demo, but I don't know how long I'll make it. Maybe up to what I have written now would probably be like a good demo length. Stuff that's written, not stuff that's coded yet. I still have to code and make all of that. Usually on a game with multiple levels, demos usually give you access to like 2 to 5 of the levels, right? Something like that. Yeah, or just like the whole entire like intro, like sequence part, kinda. Yeah, I could probably do something like that. Oh yeah, yeah. Or sometimes demos will start in like the middle of the damn game, right? Is that a sub? Film C just subbed? I appreciate the sub. So yeah, so right now, what we have working is, say I pick up all these items, and I save, and I quit, and I come back in, and I load. All those items are gone. We have that working. What I don't have working is, say I open this door, or break open this door, and I save and leave And load. The door is not open. So I want to attempt making that work. Maybe. Let me turn this music down a bit. So that should be fun. So let's go into the game instance. I wonder if you can save data tables to a save game and add rows to a data table at runtime. And add rows to a data table at runtime. You probably can. I would imagine so. Maybe. I don't know. Why would you want to do that at runtime, though? Oh, never mind, you can't? Oh, you can't do that? Yeah. I don't really see a case in which you would want to do that, though. Caden is silly. Hey, Carrie, what's up, Caden is silly? What it do, what it do? Let me duplicate this guy, and we're gonna do a check if opened. I don't know. I thought I could use a data table for characters that the user creates. Oh, yeah, I would do that inside of a. You could do that. Just do that in a struct. You could just add an array. Like make a structure and then have all your saved data and your character info inside that struct and make it an array, and then you just add to that struct. The byte cable arrived? Hell yeah. So no more muted Caden? Hell yeah. That's awesome. However, data tables aren't supposed to be changed at runtime, right? You'd more want to change the struct. They're for static data? Yeah. Dinner time, be right back. Gotcha. Yeah, I would more likely try to change the struct that the data table is built off of. Jesse, hi, how are you? I'm good. How are you? What do you got going on? What it do, what it do? Oh yeah, I need to change this. I don't need this right here. Because I'm not. Let me just get rid of this. Hey chat, what it do, what it do? I have a plan for my game. Do you know if I can upload a video file once a person completes a certain area? Imagine I can, but can't find a solid answer anywhere. Upload a video file once a person completes a certain area. Alright, so what is the context of what you're trying to do? You're trying to upload a video file once someone has completed a certain task. Why not have the video file already exist and then you just play the video file? It's meant to be an ARG type thing? What is an ARG type thing? What is that? I saw this TUD about graphic settings, and they showed how to set up the screen res with custom buttons. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. So you're gonna give that a shot? What you up to, Carrie? I'm still kind of doing some save and load stuff, so I'm trying to save world object information. El Gordo, what up, what up? So what I'm trying to do right now is I have this, I'm trying to save like how, like, you know, the info about how objects are in the world. So like right now I have this working. So if I pick up all these items and I save and I leave the game and then load back in, all those objects are gone. And what I'm trying to do right now is save the state of the door. So like say I break into this door, right? And I save and I load back in. The door is closed. So I'm trying to make it so that when you load back in, the door would still be open or closed. By the way, I tried that slider save, but it's not working. Even with save code. Interesting. Yeah, I don't think I have mine updating properly for my oh god, why can't I press any of this? Looks like my settings menu is broke somehow. I got a bug. I found a bug of some sort. I'm guessing that's something to do with when I load. Okay, so after I load, I can't press any of this, which means something is happening here. Found another bug. I might just need to... We'll worry about that later, but yeah. Getting my ass handed to me on HD2, Helldivers 2. Oh god. Still spreading the democracy. I can feels. Mission an alternate reality game. I can send in DMs the story I have for my game after stream. I can send in DMs the story. Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Gotcha. Alright, so let me... I need to go into the base door right here. And let me delete that guy right there. And I need to look at how I did this on the items. I had this item ID, so I'm gonna make a same thing. Door ID. Get a name, instance editable. So yeah, when I interact with it, I need to basically get the ID and set it. Okay. which means I need a reference to my game instance in here. So, let me see. Open door. Then we're going to set the door ID here. And I think I might need another variable. Or maybe not, maybe not. I might just have to add and remove depending. We'll see, we'll see. We'll get to that. Democracy don't spread itself? Damn right. Damn right. You gotta get out there and do that work. Hyperons. Hey there. What's up, Hyperons? What do you got going on? How are you? So when you're free, I can hop on and show you. Maybe I might be doing something wrong. Maybe so. Maybe so. Yeah, we can take a look. Take a peek. Okay, so I need to save this info. Let me go to the save game. And we will add. Just duplicate this. Doors opened. And then in here we will. Or let me see. We will set doors opened to be doors opened. How are you saving these objects? I am saving their ID pretty much. So we're making a variable on them. So like if I go to my item, they have this item ID. And then in the game instance, we have this, these array variables that we're saving. And basically we're adding a, whenever we interact with the object, so in here, we are adding the ID of the item to the array that we're saving. And that's pretty much the idea behind it. I'm not sure if this part's gonna work though. This part's gonna be a little bit different. So let's go into the load. We want to doors opened. Set doors opened. Then I need my... let me see. State if destroyed. We need... Player ref. What's the purpose of add unique? It adds a unique index to the array. So if I go to, where is my add unique? It pretty much says add item to an array, unique. Yeah, it just adds it. So it's kind of similar to add item to array, but this adds a unique item to an array. So a unique instance of something to the array. Okay, so let's see. So in here, update doors. Find event to update open doors. Wouldn't that be easier if you try to do that with Boolean? Saying is door open when the player enters, it saves that as variable on save game? Nope! I tried it that way. It didn't work. And then you have to save a bunch of different booleans from a bunch of different doors. I need... Let's try, let me grab just this one little part right here.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun on the bun.
Scoo. Did I say that right? I appreciate the follow. Thank you, thank you. Welcome in. Alright, let's see. Let's see if that works. Maybe. I see, so you're saving them at once with array? Yeah, we're just saving everything involving it. And the one little save. Kool-Aid Jimmy TTV, what's good? How's it going? It's going good. What do you got going on? We are working on some kind of complicated save game stuff at the moment. What you got going on? Arm, hey, what's up, Arm? What to do? What to do? Actually, alright, let's save this. And... oh, that did work. But it also added this one to it. Because they are both none. So let me try this. If I 1 and 2. Let's try this and make sure they don't both open. Save and load. Oh, they both still opened for some reason. Okay. Why are they both opening? Working on my game too? Hell yeah. What kind of game are you working on? Not too good. Been feeling sick for the past couple of days, so been in bed and haven't touched my PC. Oh god. What kind of sickness do you have? Sorry, man. That sucks ass. Working on a save system, I see? Yeah. Are they running on the same toggle? They are running on the same interact, but like, say if I come over here and just snag this. Oh, we got ads. I'll just wait on the damn ads. Friggin' ads, man. I'll just wait. I'll turn this music down a bit too. Alright, ads are over. So yeah, they're both running on the same interact, but like say if I come in and open this door, it doesn't open the other one. But when I load, they're both opened. Maybe made Dora's child to the other one? No. Nope, nope. So if I come in here, this is on base door. This one is child of base door. Back from ads? Are you just now back? You might not have heard what I just said. Open world survival? Oh, hell yeah. What kind of survival? How long you been working on it? Just a normal case of sickness, a little bit of vomiting, but nothing too serious. I've been feeling slightly better today, so I'll probably be fine within the next 2 days. Hell yeah. Well, hopefully you get better. Hopefully it gets better. Ooh, actually, let me delete this. This might help. I think it's that, maybe. It might be that. Let's see if that fixed it. Nope. Okay. Hood Divers 2 Impossible mode. That don't fuck around. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Alright, so let's see. Alright, so yeah, what I was saying a minute ago. Arm. So if I come in here and I grab the crowbar. And I open the door. Door opens. That one doesn't open. If I save and then load, they're both opened. You have a video on how to do inventory system. I'm having a problem making one. I'm in the middle of inventory system stuff. Yeah, inventory's a pain in the ass. Inventory's a pain in the ass. Depends on what kind of inventory you want. For a survival game, I would imagine my videos on inventory is probably not what you're gonna want. Kool-Aid, Jimmy TTV, I appreciate the follow. Thank you, thank you. It seems to toggle after the save, does it? Let's see. But I'd imagine for a survival game, you would want something with drag and drop and stuff, and like the inventory that I have built doesn't use drag and drop and stuff. So let's do that. Save. Load. So event interact door ID. We have door ID instance editable, so we can give them unique IDs. Depending on if I feel better today, I might get up and mess with my project. Hell yeah, yeah. I mean, take it easy. If you're feeling sick, might as well chill. Might as well chill. Choose the toggle after the save. Yeah, something like that. Garg82, hi Carrie, nice to see you. Welcome in, welcome in. How goes it? I wonder if it's updating the toggle once it updates the save state. Try toggling the other instead. Like, do the other door first. Let's see. This one's all wonky. It's not properly facing the right direction, so just ignore that. But let's see. They're both open after that one too. So let me go into both of these BPs. What's the name of your game? It's called Phantom Tales Saint Agnes Asylum. It's like a long ass name, but yeah. Yeah. Good day, sir. What's up? Yeah. What you got going on? What to do? Yeah, the song is sounding dope, man. The song is sounding badass. When new episode of RPG will come? Alright, so I was already on guard for you being who I think you are, and with that question, that lets me know you are who I think you are. So there you go. Bam. They're in the Discord too? Yeah, I just banned them there as well. Oh, never mind, not anymore? Yep. Alright. So, let's keep going. Hey, Carrie, I really like that name. I appreciate it. Just learned how to do motion matching. Been messing with that. Yeah, I haven't done any motion matching yet. I haven't even tried the 5.4 preview yet. Hey, I learned that too. Yeah, I'll be messing with it once I do move to 5.4. Doors are using the same toggle. They're using the same event, the interact. So let me, if I go to the common door, so they have similar code. Pretty similar. Let me me delete that right there. Let me delete that. Okay, I'm back. Oh, I missed a ban? You did miss a ban. So you remember that person I was suspicious of yesterday? I think I was right. Do you think making an index would work? Well, that's what the item ID is for, is basically creating an index for it. Like so, where am we getting this error? Oh, let me delete that real quick. Nice. Hey, did you copy all that animation from Lyra? Sure did. And this is very too easy and smooth. An old state system? Hell yeah. Yeah, I'm excited to kind of mess with it. I know you probably don't care, but here's the description. The Survivalist is in open world survival that has building, electricity, PvE, PvP, bosses, and goals. Where you're in space doing a mission for Star Alliance. When your ship starts to malfunction, you go to repair, but a mysterious alien creature had hit your ship, and you landed on a planet called Deluma, and your #1 goal is to fix your ship and report back to Star Alliance while animals and enemies try to stop you. Oh, badass! Hell yeah! So it sounds somewhat similar to what's that one survival game? Is it Planet Crafter? Like somewhat. I guess the sci-fi elements of it make me think of that a little bit. But badass. How far are you into working on that? What did that person do? They've been spamming me for months and like ban evading. Hey Jess, Josh says hey. Are you uploading any of the games you're making? Am I uploading them? I will, but I haven't yet. The building system is advanced from started from building structures to building electric parts and light poles to building trains and vehicles. There are 5 difficulties: easy, normal, hard, extreme, impossible. Single player, multiplayer. Badass, badass. Yeah, that sounds fun. Sounds fun. I love me some survival games. I can go balls deep in some survival. But it doesn't make sense because it's updating both door. Yeah, I mean, I have the same code working on my like my items. I pretty much did it the same way. So if I come over here and I pick up these items and I save and I load, those items are gone. These items are still there. And I'm doing basically the same thing with the doors. Oh, wait a second. These doors got toggled open even though I didn't open them, so that lets me know something. Alright, let me do a test. Let me delete the save slots real quick. I think they're being toggled no matter what right now, so I need to change that. Let me just do a save and a load. Okay. So they're not, there's nothing holding them back. They're being toggled no matter what, even if they're not being opened. So we need to change some things. So let's go into here. On event interact, we open door. So event open door. We're calling this so let's see. I need to, do I have my game instance? Let me think about this. I gotta think for. Hiya, Josh. Hey, let's go. Want to try out this horror when it gets released? Hey, hell yeah, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Check copyright on Star Alliance. Sound familiar? Yeah, it could be copyrighted. Could be. But it doesn't make sense because it's updating both doors. Yeah, apparently they're both being updated. I need to put some kind of lock on the door ID of it in some kind of way. So let me get the game instance ref. Let me get doors, or maybe not door. Do I need the doors? Let's see. I need. Let me try it from the. Or let's see. Let's try it here. Doors. Get doors opened for each loop. For each door opened, we want to do this. Not just for all the doors, just the ones that are in this variable.
Now, for fuck's sake.
Save, sure. Looks like we're saved up. I appreciate. Here, let me catch up here. You a chill dude? Do you have Discord? I do. I think you already joined though. Yeah, here you go. You are now in. I appreciate you joining the Discord. Maybe the game is possessed by Aunt Agnes? Yeah, it's just she's just opening all the doors. No matter what. If you load the game, all the doors are open. Hack. Big hack. You can just open all the doors if you load the game.
Hello, motherfucker.
Yo. Alright, let's see. Hope you're well, Jess. I might be making a mistake, Carrie. What's the mistake? That's what my mom said to my dad? Oh god. Is he calling the toggle at least once? Like, an initial call? So what was happening was, it was called, whenever we... So what I am doing, if I go to my character, I have an event dispatcher. Or actually, is it on my character? I'm calling this somewhere. Oh, on event initialize load. So like whenever we load, this gets called, which is also sending in a message of these event dispatchers. Right here called call update opened doors. Which if we go to our base door, which is what's calling this right here. So whenever we were loading, it was calling this. And we just had this without the for each loop, which was triggering every door to open, even if we didn't it wasn't doing anything based off of the doors that were saved in this variable. So let me try this real quick. Okay, they're not opened right there. They didn't open. So let's try this. Gotcha. Yeah, so let's see if this changes it. Door's locked. I'm gonna use the crowbar. So whenever we interact with the door, that's when they get added to the array. And now let's load. That door didn't open that time. Okay, so that's not working. For each door array element. Array index. Like an initial call. Yeah, we have. It's calling the event dispatcher. I'm not sure if I'm taking the best approach using a separate save game for characters. You mentioned a character struct, so I'm wondering if it might be more convenient to have a character struct that has all character related data, and then I could create an array that represents each character instead of save that array in the main save game instead. Yeah, that's probably how I would do it. Like if I was making a save game for a survival game, I would definitely have a struct for like save game data that saves all the information, and then I would have the save, like the slot name be the character name. But then you could save all the other the character info, like the changes and stuff you make to the character inside of some other variables. Yeah, I'm okay. Josh, how about you? Gotcha. I'm having a problem when importing FBX file models. When I import them, they get separated into multiple parts. So whenever you import, you just gotta there's a little tick box that says merge all meshes or something like that. Yeah. Does it save the state? It's not saving the state. What we're doing is we're saving the ID of it. And what I need to do is that based on the IDs that are saved, we're just changing the state. That's what this is doing right here. So I need to get the information from this for all the saved IDs to open the ones that are saved from this ID. What if you delete the other door? That's not gonna change anything, but I'll do it just to show you. Well, let me open the door. Alright, so save. Yeah. I'm good, thank you, Jess. Glad you're good too. Hell yeah. Lurk, gonna make some tea. My stomach demands food. Hey, I appreciate the lurk, and enjoy your tea and food. Will your game be free or will you have to pay? My game will not be free. Yeah, it's not gonna be a free game. Imran Agam, face blue, smiling, hand park waving, face blue, smiling. Yo, what's up? What it do? V2 Poncho, have you seen the Fallout show? I haven't. I've never played Fallout, so I don't really have the desire to watch the show. Yes, that shit is good. I played Fallout. Yeah, I've never played any of the Fallout, so I don't really have any attachment to that series. Turning Cog, sup bud? What's up, Turning Cog? What you got going on? Who gave Josh a sword? Aren't you afraid they will cut themselves? He might. He very well might. Sup, bud? What you got going on? We're trying to save. We're trying to save the state of this door, and it's not going very well. But what you got going on, man? What to do? Open door. Maybe I need to. Not equal? It's probably a bad idea, but let's just see what will happen. If it's not equal to none, let's see what happens. And let's get rid of the for each. It'll probably open because it's not equal to none. Yeah, it opened. As expected, but it's not gonna work because the other one will open as well. So if I pull this one in and load game. Oh, that one didn't open. But this one is equal to none. But if I change this one to 2, just right there, that one will open too. Yeah. Now Agnes is closing door, no entry. I know, right? Damn, Agnes, gonna have to take her outside. We're gonna get Josh to take her outside. You don't have to play Fallout. The show itself is good. Yeah, but I would have more of a desire to watch it if I had played Fallout. But where's the show at? Where can you even watch it? I don't even know where you can watch it. I'm all good. Good here, Tony Cock. How are you? I'm by, not gonna lie. Hell yeah. Doing alright, just putting the finishing touches on city sample materials to work with UDS. So I can cleanly move on to vehicles. Oh, badass. Badass. Yeah, did you ever get that worked out? You're having some problems with it, right? I forget what the problems were. Nice, nice. Is it possible to record a sound on my phone and put it into Unreal? Yeah, you could do that. Yeah, that's completely possible. I have a few fuck around ideas to make some vintage inspired vehicles. That'd be badass. Are you gonna model the vehicles? Sounds like a lot of work. Ben, yo, what's up, Ben? You can fix this by deleting the project and start again? Yeah, let me just delete the project real quick. That'll fix the problem. Problem no longer exists. Hell yeah, Ben. Hi, man. No, he has to play Fallout so he can complain about the minor lore altercations the studio made for production reasons and entertainment value like the rest of the internet, instead of just enjoying a solid show with solid acting and storytelling. Yeah, I would definitely feel more inclined to watch it if I had played the games. Amazon Prime? Oh yeah, I don't have Amazon Prime. Yeah, restart the project and the problem won't be there anymore. That's true. It would just be gone, but then every problem with the game will be gone. And the game. Needs to be a WAV file? Yeah, it has to be a WAV file if you want to bring it in. It was maxing out shader complexity, so I have a couple of workarounds. Well, depending on the scenario, having intense shader complexity isn't a massive deal. It depends on the scenario, though. Like, if I go to my shader complexity, it's probably all kinds of crazy as well. Where do I see that at? Is it in show? Is it in light? No. Visualize. Is it in lit? Shader complexity. Yeah, see, like my master material, anything that has my master material on it, the shader complexity is in the red. Was it all the way in the white up here? What if you make that door its own entity rather than the child, or same code? Yeah, but that's not really efficient. That's not really a preferred way of doing things in Unreal. It's not a best practice to do it that way. Hey Ben, Jesse says hey. I didn't even notice any lore changes. They did really good. Really? No lore changes? Have you played all the Fallouts though? There's one thing I noticed and it was so small I don't even remember what it was. Thought the show was amazing. Hell yeah. How many episodes are there? Oof. Read need? It almost made me want to deal with Preston Garvey again. Who the hell is Preston Garvey? Yeah, delete the project, then the real problem starts? No, that gets rid of all the problems. Red is bad though. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Shader, because any material that's going to be more than just like a few texture samples, your shader complexity is going to go up real fast. It's not that big of a deal. Oh, we got ads. Wait on the ads here. Alright, ads seem to be over. Jaw LL, what happens if the shader complexity is red? Does it cost performance? So, I mean, it depends on the scenario. Shader complexity isn't really that big of a deal. Let's do some Googling. Unreal Engine shader complexity. I've done a lot of reading on this because I wondered the same thing too for a while, but it's not as bad as you would think. You see the color red and you're immediately like, oh no! But it's not that big of a deal from what I've read. Because anything that's going to be more than a few texture samples is going to be in the red. We need Casey. Casey can explain it the best. Where's Casey? As a general best practice, never make assumptions and use profiling to understand where the obstructions are in the app. Further profiling is also recommended to compare the effects of any optimization. So basically what that's saying is you need to do profiling to really understand where your performance hit is coming from. Hey Carrie, you played Elden Ring before? I have. What's the alternative to prefabs in Unreal Engine? Did I read that right? Did you say prefabs? Let me go to live. What's the alternative to prefabs in Unreal Engine? I don't know. I don't even know what prefabs are. What are prefabs? Any edits that you make to a prefab asset? What is a prefab? What are prefabs? Prefabs are a special type of component that allows a fully configured game object to be saved in the project for reuse. These assets can be shared between scenes or even other projects without having to be configured again. Is this a Unity thing? I see a bunch of Unity stuff. Let's see. Let me catch up here. It's 8 episodes. Oh, that's not that many. Hell yeah. Yeah, I might give it a watch at some point. I just don't have Amazon Prime. No Preston, no settlement attacks. I feel out of the loop. I don't know who Preston is. There's probably lore changes, but I haven't noticed. Hell yeah. We should do like a group live. Maybe if I knew you more. I just talked to you today for the first time, man. Back. It's not that mine is terrible. I just ran out of operations I can add without some fiddly fuck around. Hell yeah. Yeah, is yours in the red or is it in like the pink? I have seen it go to like the purplish pink area. Should be all way, I'm telling you. This is hard facts. Yeah, we'll try. I've never seen a shader hit all white. I wonder what would cause that. Ben, if you actually use the engine, maybe someone would believe you. Yeah, Ben in Unity. That's true. Yeah. All right, let me catch up on the YouTube side here. Hey, Carrie, you played Elden Ring before? I have. How do you turn down the shader complexity down? Big shame though, there is very little info about things like brightness, contrast, or other things. Shader complexity, you could turn that down by having less complex shaders. So, yeah, I mean, if you have anything going on in your material that's more complex than like a very basic material, your shader complexity is gonna go up no matter what. Yeah, it's a Unity thing. I'm guessing you're looking for maybe components, maybe blueprint components. Sounds similar to that. I don't know Unity that well, so. But it sounded like prefabs was maybe something like that. In Unreal Engine, that would be components, I believe. Yeah, I think she's right. I think it's components. I think components are what you're looking for. What do you think? Should we do group live? I don't think so, man. I don't know you. Ben, I asked how are you? Nope. I'm not good. Why not, man? Why not? What? Why? Yeah, why not? Turning cock stranger danger. All right. So I need a way of making this work. I need to get the item ID. Maybe I need to live, let's go. Hell yeah. So I need a way of using the item ID to rotate it. So I don't need to do this. For each. Hey Carrie, how about you add a tag on each door so they have their own tag? and the one with tag is saved and the other ones don't. Well, that's basically what we're doing with the door ID thing. That's what we're trying to do with it. So basically, what I'm trying to do is if for each door opened, we set the rotation. It's kind of the same idea. And so what we're doing is whenever we interact with the door, we get our door ID and we add it to the array right here. Here, let me think. Where is hydrate? Sure. Let me find where this function's being called. Is this function being called anywhere? I need to see it in other blueprints. Okay, if destroyed, check if destroyed. Oh, maybe we need to do that. So instead of this, I need to get game instance, check if opened, item defined, door ID, if already opened. Oh, I don't need this on my interact, damn it. Hold on. Let me get rid of that. So let me grab the game instance. Let's get rid of the for each. Check if opened. Door ID. If it is opened. Then we want to do this. So let's check that. Load. Okay, so now let me go grab this. Save. Well, I didn't open the door. Let me open the door. Open the door. Save. Go back. Load. It didn't open. So that didn't work. Unreal Engine alternative to prefab is like an actor, just a regular actor. We have to, we will get there. Boy, don't worry. Where are we getting to? Basically, Unity prefab is essentially an Unreal Engine actor. Each has its own hierarchy with different things, but instead of game objects like Unity, it's components in Unreal Engine. Okay, I got you. Yeah. Good old Josh Works knows a bit about Unity. Each can be added to your scene, etc. Nice. Okay. Is this to save if the door is open or not? Is that something games do? Yes. I've seen it in a few games, yeah. What's wrong with having to open the door again when loading back in? Well, we need to save that the door has been opened because some doors are locked. If a door is no longer open after you've locked it, it's kind of a problem. After you unlocked it. So, that's kind of the idea. Boom! What's up, Boom? What it do, what it do? Prefabs equals packed level actors. I got the answer. Oh, you're looking for packed level actors. I was wondering if you were thinking about like level instancing or anything like that. But yeah, packed level actors, level instancing. That makes sense. Hell yeah. Boom. What's up, Boom? How are you? Maybe. Maybe what? Do you want to lose your key and your unlocked door, Ben? You want to play the game and have to hunt down another key that's also no longer in the world, because we have that part working. We come over here and destroy all these items and we save and we come back in and we load. All the items you picked up are no longer there and they're not coming back. So I gotta get this part working in some kind of way.
Hello, motherfucker.
Yo, yo, what it do, what it do? Kaden is silly, I'm back, welcome back, welcome back. So let's take a look. I feel like this should work. Let me look at how this is firing off. Actually, let's just load. Let me debug, maybe. That might not be a bad idea. We need this one. Found it in M. What'd you find? Oh, where did you find the shader complexity again? Shit hiding from me? Oh, it's in you found it? But yeah. For anyone else that might want to know, if you want to look for shader complexity, it's in this mode. Optimization view modes, shader complexity right here. Yeah. Yeah. Are you gonna add objectives complete sounds? Probably. Yeah, probably. I'm having problems with foliage? What kind of problems with foliage? What are said foliage problems? Are you gonna, oh, I read that one. Level instance is very useful in many cases. Yeah, I actually just learned about level instancing not too long ago. And, yeah, I could definitely see it being pretty damn useful. What does that do? What does what do? The shader complexity? It just lets you know the complexity of your shaders in the world.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun on the bun.
It won't place anything? Are you talking about this guy? Yeah, I don't really recommend painting in foliage most of the time. Only where you need very unique foliage would I recommend you do that.
Hello, motherfucker.
Hydrate? Sure. Add your feather. I appreciate the follow. Thank you, thank you. Welcome in. Learn through this course though? Yeah, I learned through the same course. If you want to see what I mean, just look at my live. Yeah, I'm not going to your live, man. If you mention it one more time, I'm gonna have to ban you. It's a standard Twitch etiquette to not try to self-promo on somebody else's stream, especially if you don't know them. How can you make an RPG and a horror? Add your feather. How can you make them both? Are you asking how to do it? Monkey game? Yeah, we're gonna make 8 games at one. In one game, it's hard. Oh, you're trying to do it all in one game? A horror RPG? You're trying to make a horror RPG? You are, aren't you? No, I'm not making a horror RPG. No, that's not what I'm doing. But no, the RPG is on the back burner right now. I'm just focusing on this one at the moment. And the tag that says Souls like horror and RPG. Oh yeah, I just haven't got rid of that tag. It's an old tag. It's not in one? Yeah. It's 2 games? Yeah. Anything we do is hard, just keep a singular vision for your end product and you'll be fine. Yeah, dude. Straight up. Straight up. Are you gonna mess with C++ at some point? Yep. Definitely. What I'm probably gonna do is have to, like what I'm planning on doing at some point is straight up like taking a break from Twitch and YouTube for a while so I can just focus on learning C++. So I can just focus on that. Use Unity, it will be better? Probably. There's a few horror RPGs out there, but they're niche. I was just playing Parasite Eve last night. Is that one of them? I've never heard of that one. Parasite Eve, it looks like it's not on Steam. Did I spell that wrong? Sold PS1 game, won't be on Steam. Oh, it's PS1 game. Yeah, I've never heard of that one. What's up, Suave Zombie? What to do, what to do? Yeah, I think a horror RPG would be cool. I mean, I guess technically like games like Dying Light are kind of like a horror RPG, or like Days Gone. Kinda-ish, not really. I mean, it has the RPG elements, but... Can I get a ban on Ben? You can't ban me? You want to ban Ben? Why do you want to ban Ben? Imagine being a game dev with 2 successful game releases, both different genres like horror and RPG, and the third game is just kit bashing your 2 previous games together. Not a bad idea. Just straight up merge them bad boys. If both those games had a baby, that's the third game. Yeah, but what if your first 2 games weren't successful and then you do that? Good idea. Even I got now a bit courage to mess around with it. Yeah, C++ could be definitely scary at first, but yeah. Too imported to carry. Too imported. Imported? Too imported? I'm gonna import you into a UE5, Ben. I'm gonna import you in here. I'm back making breakfast. Hell yeah. What you making for breakfast? What to do, where to do? A storm run game. Hey, I spent about 1.8 hours at I spent about 18 hours and stayed up all night building a house in Unreal Engine that I plan to build in real life. Kind of a Hobbit house, all underground, except for the front. That sounds badass. Yeah, that could be cool as shit. Like build real life kind of things in Unreal Engine. I mean, people already do that. There's a lot of people that use Unreal Engine for architecture.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun on the bun.
Suave Zombie, I appreciate the follow. Thank you. What to do? I mean, these sort of games that mix 2 genres really fascinate me. Yeah, I like a few different games like that. There's so many genres I'm interested in working on. There's like some genres that I like have 0 interest in working on, but there's like other genres that I have like multiple ideas for. Horror and RPG, I love those kinds of games. Survival games, I love those kinds of games. FPS games, I have 0 interest in making anything like that. shooters, for the most part, I don't have any interest in. And then just like random goofy games, I think would be fun. All kinds of weird ass ideas. I gave it all physics, so if I miss a nail, it falls. If you miss a nail, it falls. What do you mean by miss a nail? Like, it won't let me put any trees down unless it, unless I put it in the river. You might have something like only paint on certain physical materials. Is that something you could do in here? I don't ever paint. Are you doing procedural foliage, or are you painting in foliage? I'm doing good though, working on my own project, and I find it easier to stay productive with a game dev stream in the background. Badass! What kind of game are you working on? I appreciate you hanging out, man. Shooters only have one goal? What's that goal? What is said goal? Yeah, there's definitely some genres I wouldn't consider making too, but I would make most types of games if I had some ideas for them. Yeah, there's just like certain genres I don't know. I don't think they would be that fun to work on. But yeah, like I'm into a lot of genres. There's a lot of things I'd be willing to work on. Yeah, you know what I think would be really fun to work on, and probably would be probably just as fun as an RPG, but would probably be a bit easier. I think like a hack and slash would be badass to work on. Oh, we listened to this already. Let me change this. YouTube doing that loop bullshit. Where's that one song in here? Speaking of shooters, I started my FPS project again last week. I got someone doing the character design art, so hopefully soon I'll be able to get the models done. Badass! What kind of shooter game is it? Never mind. Did you get it? Lol. The wood is actually nailed to another piece of wood with a non-physics object. Nail, so the physics objects have actual weight and will fall if not built right. Oh, I see what you're saying. Damn. Did you get the whole thing done in one night? That sounds like a lot of work. Hack and slash indeed. Those games are fun. Fun as hell. Yeah, I like me a good hack and slash. Like, and they're like the mechanics that can go into a hack and slash can go from like pretty damn simple to like pretty complex, depending on how far you want to go with it. Here, let me check this guy right here. Load. So it's saying this isn't true. Already opened. We go into my aim instance. If okay, this is what's this is not if open finds the index of the first instance of the item within the array. If it's saying it's not greater than -1. What if we set this to -200? -200. See what the hell happens. So that means it's not being... I think that just means that it's straight up not being added to the array then, right? Oh, we got ads. We'll test this, then I'm gonna do a P break. Oh, that one opened, but that one opened as well. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna do a tea break. I will be right back. All right, I'm back. Let me try to catch up here. Let's see. Boom with the wet fart. Boom, gassy. Doesn't help if you haven't got any of your foliage selected.
This is a reminder to
go
save
through-
your work now, for fuck's sake.
Save? I think we're saved. We've been kind of sitting here staring at this. I'm not sure how to fix this solution. How to add texture to an item? You have to make a material for it. Funnily enough, a horror RPG. That's why that comment caught my attention, really? Oh man, well I'm sorry. Yeah, it's not a horror RPG, sadly. It would be cool though. It's a combination between an FPS and a TBS with a lot of mobile and fighter game mechanics. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. How far are you into that project? I didn't even know you were working on that. Nevi77, welcome in. Hey man, I need help. I'm kind of new at Unreal Engine and I can't figure out how I can get it so that I can have players and spectators where only the spectators can see other spectators flying around. Players and spectators are... What are spectators? Are you trying to do multiplayer stuff? Is that what you're talking about? Give me a texture RAR. How do I get the file? You have to extract the RAR. If you have a RAR file, you need to unzip it with something like 7-zip. Yeah, you need to extract it in some kind of way. WinRAR is so much better in my opinion. RAR file is so much better in my opinion. RAR XD? Is RAR XD a thing? Games? Maybe here in a bit. Down here in a bit. Thank you. Hell yeah, hell yeah. 3 years as of writing, only maybe a month in of his work. Hell yeah. You gotta let me know how it goes, man. All right, let me catch up on YouTube over here. Ark Nolact, greetings. What kind of horror game is it going to be? One in the direction of Amnesia, or perhaps one where the protagonist can defend themselves against the monsters' enemies? Yeah. We're gonna have combat. So, like, if I go in real quick, we already have, like, the ability to attack and stuff. So we can punch. We also have, axe. We can attack with. Yeah, it's gonna be third person. We're gonna have some combat in it. And, yeah, you'll be able to defend yourself. But some enemies you won't be able to attack. There's gonna be certain enemies that you have to stealth around. So we can still get some of that stealthy mechanics in there. Now I got the slab frame and concrete poured. I'm gonna work on the drywall today and maybe finish up. Then I will probably work on my tower defense game I'm building. Oh, nice. Good old tower defense. What version are you using? I'm on 5.4 now, and I swear they changed stuff so much that a tutorial from 1 month ago no longer applies. Yeah, I'm still on 5.3. I'm not using 5.4 preview yet. There's so much new in 5.4. Yeah, I'm waiting on like the full version of 5.4 to come out before I try to make any switches to it. And I might not even like fully switch then. Depending. One of those larger projects I had to take it back from. I'm gonna make an FPS mod for this project. Badass. Yeah, that's why I'm working on this game. It's something smaller that I can do. Something smaller. So let me. I need to check the index of this in some kind of way. So let me print string right here. We didn't get a print string right there. Let's see. Why not? Let's... I might need to do this function on each door, maybe. Let me go to here. Game instance ref open door. Door ID. Let's try that. Well, I might need to go pick up a crowbar. We still didn't get a... Okay, we did get a print string. It's 0. So let me go back and change the... Where's the game instance? Check if opened. -1. Alright, let's try that again and let's try saving and loading. Save. And it's open and that one's not open. Okay, okay, we're getting somewhere. Let me go open, let me go grab that other crowbar. We're not facing the right way, but that's fine. We'll fix that later. All right, let's save. And oh, I need to add that to this door. And let me go over here. I don't need this here. I need game instance ref open door. Door ID. Grab this. Open this. Damn it. I always forget that I gotta equip that damn thing. Alright, equip. Let's save. Oh, not save. Pressing the wrong buttons. Oh, I didn't save. Did I not save? I guess not. Let me try that again. Let's save. And then load. That door's open. All right, let's. I think we got it. I think we fixed it. Save. Load, they're both open. Alright, let's duplicate another door. Let's make this ID 3. And let's test this real quick. I just want to make sure that they both don't open when I load on a duplicated one. They don't. Oh my god, we got it. We got it. Fuck yeah. We did it. We did it. We got it fixed. Holy shit, that was a pain in the ass. Hey, let's go. I appreciate. Damn, man. Throw in a third door? We have 3 doors. Throw in a third one? We could throw in a third one. Oh, I didn't change the ID of it. Let's make the ID 4. So let's save and load. Hell yeah, we got it working. Now it tells if you can open 100 different doors with no problems. I think we got it. There's gonna be some tweaking on like the rotations that I need to change, but like I think I might need to move. I think I might need to save their specific rotations in some kind of way, but I'll worry about that later. Also, let me catch up here. Thank y'all. Now I go work on my guitar. Hell yeah. No problem. I didn't even know 5.4 came out till today. Well, 5.4, the preview is out. The actual full version of it isn't out yet, right? 5.4, I want to try out the motion matching for character locomotion. Yeah, I've seen a few videos on it. It looks pretty nifty. Yeah, I'm kind of curious to see how that'll work. I watched, me and Ben watched a video on it yesterday. Good old Gorka video. Shouldn't really be using 5.4 for real projects. It's in preview, so it crashes a lot. Yeah, that's why I haven't moved to it. I don't really have a reason to be messing with it yet, other than if I just wanted to mess with some of the new stuff. My bad, I made first-person cam for your project, so I may have accidentally made biscuits to perfection. Oh shit. Yeah, I got rid of first-person cam. It was too much of a pain in the ass. Am I baking too? Mind you, I'm sick and not the best cook. Hey, if you enjoy it, that's all that matters. Hey, let's go. Hell yeah. Love that feeling when you get something fixed. Yeah, dude. Pretty satisfying. Yeah, that was a pain in the ass. Nice, always a good feeling when you get it working. Yeah, I was kind of stumped for a minute there, but we did get it going. Now I just need to... I need to work out the specific rotations, because right now... Oh, I am setting this to 110. I think if I just set this to negative 110... I might just need to tweak how the different doors are rotated specifically in the world. So in some situations, I may need to come in and just move some things so that they open properly. Are you making those animations yourself? Yeah, I made the break-in animation. Yeah. I did indeed make that animation. I didn't make the locomotion and stuff. I made the punching animations. I didn't make the axe animations. So like, the locomotion I didn't make, the crouching I didn't make, the flashlight animations I did not make. The only animation I have in here that's custom so far is the animation for breaking into a door. So let me catch up on YouTube here. Making a tower defense game about Atlantis. You will have to build the city, upgrade your buildings, and defend from invaders trying to steal your crystals that eventually survive the Great Flood. Hell yeah, that sounds badass. I haven't played very many tower defense games, but I know a few people making a few different tower defense games. It's also going to be a third-person open world with quests and stuff, so you're not just stuck in God mode, hovering above the level. Oh, nice, nice. Third person tower defense. Are third person views, but also shooter, like Fortnite considered a FPS? No, that would be like a third person shooter. No, that would be a TPS. Did you fix it? I was AFK. I did fix it. Check it out. Check it out. We got this bad boy fixed. So if I come over here, and we open this, and we save, and load. The door's open, and none of the other ones are. And if I come in and open another one, we can open this one. And save, close, load. And those two are open and none of the other ones are. Looks really good. Hey, I appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, but here we have, what if we add another door? Let's add another one of these doors, because this is a different door. This door ID is 4. Let's make this one 5. I gotta fix that rotation for reals though. Alright, so save. Load. And that one's open. And the other ones aren't. Toilet paper shooter? Yeah, dude. Is there any games out there about like toileting a house? Or like doing something with toilet paper? That could be cool as shit. Maybe you could make it like Splatoon, but with toilet paper? Something like that. Let's go. Third person shooter. Now make it multiplayer? Alright, let me just click the make multiplayer button real quick. And then bam. What if you take both the mechanics of tower defense and give it RPG fighting mechanics? He says, yeah, I'm making a tower defense, but you can also join the fight. Oh, nice. Nice. Badass. So yeah. Like you'll have stuff that kind of defends off the base, but you can kind of hop in and kick some ass as well. That would be funny game. It's a shooter, but you use toilet paper to kill people. Would be good for a Halloween event as well. Yeah, it could be fun. I'm gonna make my trampoline game, I swear. I'm gonna work on that at some point. Alright, so let me work on this rotation. If I might just need to come in here and move this guy. Trampoline game? Yeah, I have a trampoline game idea. It's all about jumping on trampolines and trying to do cool ass tricks with like active ragdoll physics, mechanics, that thing. Yeah, take this guy. 180. Oh, it rotates the wrong way. Hinge? Oh, everything's attached to the hinge. How did that open? I forget. Which way did that open? I think it opened from left to right when it needs to open right to left. That would mean I need to... What the hell is this arrow? I need to move this guy over here. Right. It's gonna open towards me, I think, though, and it spinned me around. Arrow. Door. Oh, why are you spinning me? Oh, it's still open towards me. I have to go into the actual BP and... Is there a way I can expose that variable? I need door angle. Is there a way to expose these? Because that would be useful as shit. I don't think there is, though. I'm making a paintball parkour shooter similar to Splatoon. Oh, that'd be badass. How many games are you working on? How many games are you working on? Oh, sounds cool. Yeah, it could be cool. Could be fun. Not my current FPS project, but one of them on the long list. How long of a list do you have? How many games you got going on? So let me go, actually just go into the map. Potion shop. Oh god, I'm yelling, Zelda. There you go. Here you go. Let me check how the door is opening in here. Door ID, we'll make one, or let's just name it entrance door.
Hello, motherfucker.
Yo, yo. What it do, what it do? Alright, so. Hydrate, sure. Okay, that's opening properly. So let's save. Alt P. Load. It. Okay, so I do need to change. I think I need to put that, let me look. I need to put that specific code into this blueprint. Can't see worth shit. Hold on. Yeah, rotated this way, It rotated into the wall after loading. And for some reason, there's some collision here. Causing me to not go through it after loading. Alright, let me catch up here. I think I've nailed how I'm going to be doing my different characters, etc. Now, with just an array on the main save game that contains the character info struct, but I'm not saving each character as a separate save slot. It'll be the same main save game slot. Interesting. Curious to see how you do that. Okay, so I need to go into... I think instead of this being on the base door, I think I need this to be in the other door BPs. And then what I need to do is... let me copy this. Let me go into entrance door, event graph. Paste this guy in. Actually, let me just Control Z that. Let me go copy this. Paste this guy in. And open. I'm going to right here promote this to a variable. And then we can set door angle right here. And then find, let me go to the base door. We're gonna unplug this and this. Base door, entrance door. I need to call entrance door opened. There we go. Open this. Save. Load. Oh, that didn't open. It... Store opened. That one did not save and load properly. When I meant to update doors opened. So let's check this. It did fire off. We do a print string right here. And plug this guy in. Save. Oh, you know what? I need to save that. That's why I need to save I need to save this thing. But what would be the best way of saving that? Because I don't want to save each door. Yeah, I think it's a valid approach. Yeah, it sounds like a good way to me. Sounds like a decent way. What's good? I'm back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Ooh, Piggy Wiggy. What's up, Marius? What you got going on? What it do? What it do? Marius? It's Marius. What up, mate? We out here doing all kinds of bullshit, man. So I think what I need to do, let me think about this. I mean, hi bad. Hi to everyone. What's up? What you got going on? Marius has arrived. Cookies for chat. Oh, did Marius bring cookies? Marius is ignoring me for 7 days. Why is that? Why is Marius ignoring you? So, I'm stressing him out. Oh, because you're a dedicated server. Oh, Marius did bring cookies. Look, Marius did bring cookies. Hell yeah, I appreciate the cookies.
Oh, Piggy Wiggy.
Who did that? Who did that?
Piggy Wiggy.
El Gordo?
Piggy Wiggy.
I was about to say, if it was Marius, I was gonna be sad. I appreciate the biddies, El Gordo. That and another thing? What's the other thing? Marius is the cookie? Oh, we're gonna eat Marius? All that's forgotten, Josh Works. Hey, he's not ignoring you. So yesterday I was talking about the free licenses I keep getting to JetBrains products. Yes. Oh. Was it in Siler's stream? Action Spake Marius. Alright, so I need a valid way of saving. I think I need a do I need a float array? No. I'm not sure about this one. I'm gonna sit here for another hour and stare at the screen till I think about it. Spank Josh Works. Spank El Gordo. I didn't mention though that my mate was buying them for me until later. Oh, you thought you were going to do some crazy workaround thing? Lots of spanking in chat. We do lots of spanks. Spank boom. So I had them questioning how the hell I kept getting the free licenses. Oh, they thought you were doing some sketchy shit, huh? Is that what it was? Oh, now everybody is spanking boom. That's what happens when you mention the spanks. You get spanked. They did at one point? Yeah, I would imagine so. They were like, oh, you're doing some sketchy shit. So, do I need to... Finds the index of the first instance of the item within the array. Maybe I do need to add a float array. Maybe? Door angle? Float? Get add you unique. Door angle. I'm going to check if opened. Maybe I need. Where am I calling check if opened? I'm doing that right here. Game instance. Plug this guy in? Find? No, that returns an integer. Get a copy. Oh, maybe I need to find the item at this index and then get a copy of that. Maybe. But I need to save that door angle. Find. Get copy. Hold on. Item defined. Hold on. The item defined is the let me see. Oh, actually, I need undefined. It needs to be no, this is wrong. Right? Game instance. Alright, let me catch up here. I got another JetBrains key today too. I actually haven't used it yet though. Did your JetBrains run out? Told my mate I wanted to use Sea Lion and he went ahead and got me another key. That's badass. Hello, homie. I might just go all out and get the all products pack. Never mind, can't use it on that. You just gotta get the base one. Ain't nothing wrong with that though. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Alright, let me think about this. Nope, I still have ages on Rider, and I have just under a year on WebStorm. What is WebStorm? What is that? Okay. So I need to get rid of that. Then I think I need to find this and plug this guy in. I don't think this approach is gonna work. I need a way of saving the angle of the door in a good way where I don't have to save it from each blueprint. Let's go, I fixed my river problem? Badass, hell yeah! There you go. Oh, it's for web apps with Java, HTML, CSS, etc. I'll just use it for CLion as I was initially going to. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, I've never heard of that, but I've never done like web app stuff. Maybe I just need... Aim instance... Door angle... Let me delete that. Do you just need every previously open door to be at its fully open rotation when you load the save? Yes. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. So that it's at the same exact rotation it was when I load. That is exactly what I'm trying to do. Can you maybe just play the animation from the end or something? Sounds a little jank in my head, but the data already exists in the anime anyway. Play from the end? I mean, we don't want the animation to play when we load. We want it to. We want the position to just be exactly where it was. I mean, there's definitely. It's basically what I'm doing here. Like, what I'm doing right here is I'm just setting the rotation of it. But right now I'm just setting it to a hard value. What I need to do is save this value in an array. So each specific door has their unique angle that they opened up at. And then when we load back in, I need to grab that info and put it back in here. Because right now it's just a hard value. So right now if I load... Oh, we got an error. What's the error? Oh, let me get rid of this. Yeah, right now it opens, but it's a hard value. It's opening the opposite way. And different doors are going to be angled at different ways, so I need I mean, I could do a real jank workaround and just like duplicate the door BP and for, you know, 4 different angles, and depending on which angle that I put it on the door, I could set that hard value to be something different. But I feel like there's a smarter approach than that, some kind of way. Woohoo, Sea Lion subscription ends April 21st, 2025. Hell yeah. Yeah, looks like you got a while. Looks like you got a while. Yeah, for sure. That's why I think it's hard to have to save that data for every door. Yeah, well, that's why I would try to save it in some kind of array, right? Like if we could, because that's what I'm doing right now for the ID. I'm just saving an array of door IDs. So if I could do something similar with the door angles, but it would have to take into consideration the ID as well. What are you going to use it for? Good question. What are you using that for, Josh? I used it for a Sea Lion I was originally going to. I did try and use it for the all products pack, but that didn't work. Hell yeah. Carry door technologies. This is some complex door stuffs. Some complex door stuffs right here. Let me go back to this map. Complex doors. Carries complex doors. We sell the most complex doors that you can think of. Oh, that opened the opposite way. Actually, no, that way was fine. Save. I'm pretty sure if I load right now, this is also loading the... Oh, that didn't even load. Oh, I took that off the base door, that's why. I just gotta plug this back in. No, I mean, what are you gonna use Sea Lion for? Use it for C++ stuff. I'll migrate my game engine to it from pre-make. Okay, I thought you were gonna leave me hanging on the first response. What do you use Unreal Engine for? Game stuff? Yeah. Or start my game engine again, because I still need to consider multi-threading, threaded rendering and stuff. I'm also interested in game engine development too, though, not just game development. Technology behind games, game engines fascinate me so much. Yeah, that shit's complicated. That shit's complicated, though. Complicated as shit. So you're gonna make it an extraction shooter MMO, a custom game engine, and a survival game? Man, have you got the next 40 years planned out for yourself? 40 years worth of work. So let's see. Let me think, let me think. There's not a find for an index, right? Like, let's see. Can I... Let me print this string on this output here. Might not be a bad place to have that. Print string. Let's see what we get on this right here. I think it should give us 0. Yeah, it gave us 0. Actually, let's get rid of this guy. We're going to add that there. Base door. Get a copy at this index. And actually, we go into here, we get door angle. Let's get rid of this one. Pull this guy in here. And we want to get a copy at this index, right? Maybe not. I might need this unique index. Let me, on this print string, let's make this guy blue. And I don't think I will get the, well, maybe I will get the same index on both of them. Then on this guy, we'll just print this guy. And we'll make this guy red. So when I open the door, let's see what the indexes on both of those are. If they're the same index, I should be fine. I think they'll be the same index. They are the same index. Let me try it on another door real quick. Okay, one's -1 and the other one's 1. They're not the same index after that. Why is that? Let's see. Can't work on only one thing at once. It's not enough to keep me busy. Not enough? I think it's more than enough to keep you busy. I think you worded that wrong. I think you mean like you get bored, you like hopping around, get burnt out, try to keep your mind fresh. Making game sounds tough. How do y'all do it? I'm not making game sounds. I'm buying game sounds. What you talking about? I'm not making them. The extraction shooter MMO is on hold temporarily or permanently while I work on my survival game. Hell yeah, I can feels. I can feels. I can feels you there. So technically, we're working on survival game and game engine for the time being. What makes you want to hold off on the extraction shooter? Oh, we're about to have ads. Just MMO, man. It's going to take forever to get it finished. Yeah, MMO is quite a bit to take on. I feel like the scope of the MMO might be a bit too much for just me alone. Probably. MMOs are massive. Easy, boom, you're already pretty much doing it. Are you making game sounds? I bought all mine. I guess. Think they meant looks tough? What looks tough? Oh. Aminabad? Wow, looks really cool. Nice. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Making games is hard. Making games is hard as shit. She meant making games sounds difficult? Oh. Oh, I see. I see. I thought she meant like game sounds. Like the audio part of it. Yeah, you're already doing it, Boom. You're already doing all the same shit. It's the same thing you're already doing. All right, so why is one going in one direction and the other one is going in another direction? Is it because it's... Let's try that again. Let me do another test here. Hey, I'm back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Zero. -1 and 1. Which one is going to -1? Which one do I have as red? The second one. Delete that. Let me delete this stuff for now. I want to also, let me just duplicate some of those. At 0 and 0. One or -1. Why was that -1 again? That didn't add a unique at all, right? Right. Open door. Let's try that. Yeah, so the MMO is on hold while I figure out if I really want to be carrying on with such a large game. That making on my own is tough to do. Yeah, that's kind of why I've been focusing on this game too, rather than the RPG, because this one's going to be much easier to accomplish than a friggin' RPG. Thumbert Games, what's up everyone? What's up, Thumbert? What you got going on? Whoa, that added a bunch. Okay, so I need to do... Let me go back here. Where is it? Here. So I need to do this off of... Not on update. I need this on finished. Try that again. Hey, when hop off stream, can we chat in your Discord voice chat? Yeah, sure. Sure thing. Yeah, I'm about to hop off here in a minute. And be struggling on this for the next day. Summer Games, hey, how are you? Yeah, what's up? What you got going on? What it do, what it do? Good, how are you? It was -1 and 1. -1 and 2. Why is it... It's not adding a unique at all on this. Like, it shouldn't be at the same index. But it is working for this one. Y'all still playing Enshrouded? Yeah, we're pretty deep in it. I think I'm like around a level 20-ish, something like that now. Do you actually use any tools to see into your save.file? What do you mean? What kind of tools? Okay, I see you there. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Glad, and I'm good, thank you. Hell yeah. Yeah, how are you, Thumbert? What you got going on? What you been up to? Damn right we are. I'm still level 13 though. Jesus, I've been slacking. Yeah, you behind, man. Still level 13, so don't worry about it. I'm level 15. Yeah, Josh is almost caught up. Try adding. Not so unique. We can see what it does. I just don't understand why add unique is working on the other thing when I'm doing the same exact thing. Add. Oh, I need this. Just gotta get a little spaghetti here. Gotta get a little messy. That's fine for now. Just working on the game? Hell yeah. What you been working on recently? What have you been tackling in it? Alright, let's see what just an ad does. Weapon animations? Oh shit. I bet that's time consuming as shit. Animations take a while, man. Okay, 0, 0. Let's see what the next one does. 1 1. Two, 2. So that's keeping them on the same index, which is what I'm kind of looking to do. Duplicate that. Hold on. I think the music stopped. But is it a foolproof way of doing it? Zero, 0. Oh, nope. That one changed. It went 1 -1. But that time it was... Okay, 2 1. Three, 2. That also does that was on the other one. Interesting. That did not keep them on the same index that time. So what I'm gonna have to do is pull the add unique back in. Let's test this again real quick. For example, when you save your game, it creates a save.file for new NUE, but you cannot look into it with a normal editor to see what you have saved. Why are you trying to look into it to see what you've saved? I mean, you should know what you've saved, right? If you built the save system. We're working on the sound effects for the guitar. I learned guitar 2 years ago. Oh, nice. I've been playing guitar since I was like 12. But hell yeah. What kind of stuff do you play? Yeah, it takes about a day or so to make okay animations per weapon. Be right back. Yeah, animations are stupid time consuming. Alright, I'm just gonna give this one little test right here, and then I'm probably gonna go ahead and hop off for a little bit. So let's see what we get on this print string. Zero, 0. -1 and 1. -1 and 1. -1 and 2. Okay, so I think what I'm getting out of this some of them are going to the same index, so I wonder if it's shifting the index of some of the other ones. Try this. Length. Was it last or end? Alright, we can just print this actually, I think. Length is the length, so let me print this. Okay, one. One? What are you talking about, one? I think it's... Oh, okay. I think I actually get it. One. So it's gonna all come... It's because it's adding unique. Right? Let me try this one. So yeah, if it was just a regular add, I think it would increase the index. Right? Let's try that. Links. What are you yelling about? Nah, go away. One, hello. Okay. Let's see. Two, hello. Okay. So that's the difference between add and add unique. Three. Four. Okay. So I think what we do, we do want an add unique. Right. Add unique. Delete that, delete that, delete that. Base door. Alright. We catch up and then I'll go ahead and hop off here for a bit. I'll learn how to do animations, but I honestly don't think I have the time to do that just now. So Mixamo it is. Yeah, animations takes time. Like, I'm still not great at animation, but yeah, it's another one of those things that is a time-consuming skill to build. I can make some animations, but yeah, animation's tough. So it's a tough one to get down. Mixamo is really good for animation. I'm using it for animations at the minute too. Yeah, Mixamo is good for a lot of things. It can, you know, there's like some things that I've tried to find on Mixamo before that just isn't there. But I mean, it does have a good bit of the stuff that you would need. Hey Carrie, I've been having this issue with exporting my project. What issue? What issue? What's the issue? Poke it with a stick? Yeah, just poke it around. I'm also using for my character, but planning on getting my friend who can hopefully model for me soon. Just so it's unique. Oh, a character model? Character models are also hard as shit. Yeah, makes sense. I'm only using Mixamo temporarily. Hell yeah. Yeah, I'm using a bunch of packs for animations too, other than the ones that I made. Made a pretty decent twerking animation. Yeah, I remember that animation. It was pretty good. I got a question, mostly because I haven't done it in a while. What's the camera max exposure setting? I'm trying to light inside. Oh, are you talking about the skylight? Is that what you're talking about? Or are you talking about post-processing? Like so that it doesn't, so the exposure doesn't change? I think that's the one you're talking about, right? The post-processing. Either. Here, let's see. So if you go to post-process, and is it in lens? Yeah, exposure. So typically you just want to, oh wow, mine is not set to be the same. I do have a little bit of exposure going on. So typically I would set this to both to like 0, 0. So it keeps the same, or you know, the same value. So that way the exposure doesn't move at all. There will be no up and down in your light. Trying to make it so my light doesn't gradually get brighter into a foggy haze. I can't see past chat. Oh, here, let me move my head. Let me move my head over here. Let me move the chat over here. So yeah, if you go into your post-processing, this guy, you should have an exposure thing. And you want to change this min and max to be the same value. That way it doesn't, you know, go in and out. Yeah. Because if these values are different, that it, you know, it'll keep the values within a range. Right, so yeah, let me catch up on the YouTube chat, and then... So no light mass importance volume? No, all you gotta change is the exposure. And you won't have that issue anymore. Alright, so let me just catch up on YouTube here. And then we will call it. I have an issue in the widget blueprint for an inventory. The boxes in my uniform grid panel aren't evenly spaced out. It's like one box in the first row, then 2 in the next, then 3. How can I fix this? That's a pretty complex question. I would have to know how your inventory is built. Yeah, I'm not sure how you're building your inventory. But that sounds like a row, column, row size issue to me. Make your head upside down for the chat on top of the screen. Can I do that? Is that a thing I could do? Can I rotate this? I don't know if there's a way to rotate. I don't think there's a way to rotate this. Not using OBS? Nope, I'm in old Streamlabs. The Devil's program. I have no idea how to rotate this. I guess you can't. It was a good suggestion. I'm full of fantastic ideas. He's on a subscription on Streamlabs. Yeah, I have a paid subscription on Streamlabs. Can on OBS though? Yeah. Don't think you can rotate on Streamlabs? Lame. Burn it all down? Burn it all down. I bugged him about this before. Talking about Streamlabs. He's on would be a waste of money if he didn't use it. Yeah, I bought this a while ago. The subscription's pretty close to running out though. I think I have like less than a month on it. I paid for a year like a year ago. Alright, so let's go ahead and call it here. Let's see what she's doing. Sure. We can raid her. Streamlabs cost some money. If you want to pay for the pro version of it, I have like the pro version of it. Can we raid Boom? Is Boom on? Boom's not on. They're talking about someone else named Boom. I do not know this BEWM. I'm not online? Yeah, Boom's not on. She's online, ignore her. Raid Boom? Alright, we're gonna raid Boom. No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna raid, this channel, Mary Core MC. She's doing some Blender stuff right now. Alright, so I appreciate everyone for hanging out. We got some kind of cool things done today, but we still have some issues to fix up. But yeah, I'll see you on the next one.